going back to the bench. Today got a box in the mail, and let's see what we got. This is our new project. The Vanquish VS4-10 Phoenix straight axle with machine gears. They had a pretty good deal on it. I figured it was time for me to step up and get myself a off-road vehicle that I could really modify and have a great vehicle. Okay, so if you aren't familiar with Vanquish, they're out of California. And they make some good kits. I'm sure you can find these all over the internet. And they actually have a very good price on it. And it's a high performance VS4-10 chassis. A lot of good features in this one is it has locking differentials. It has front wheel, four-wheel, or rear wheel drive. Four-wheel drive. You can lock the one tire in the back if you need to. So it's got a lot of pretty interesting stuff. And this again is a straight axle version. Alright, let's open up the box, see what we got. It's got selectable overdrive. 6.5, 46%, free wheel, two-wheel drive, a lot of steel, a lot of metal. The only thing that's not metal is the axle housings. Vanquish has come up with a plastic version, which saves you a lot of money. This kit was $379 at the time that I bought it. Comes with tires and wheels, 4.55, 1.9. Comes with bead locks, or plastic bead locks. We will be replacing those with steel bead locks. Tires don't look too bad, but we're going to get some metal, not steel, I can't say metal, bead locks. And the Vanquish body with interior. That's nice. Pre-cut, no cutting. That's nice also. And the back part separate from the cab. And a bag of assorted parts, which I'm not going to go through all that now. I'm gonna build this, and there'll be a series on this, so you'll get to see all the fancy parts when we put it together. And they even send some spare parts. And here's this metal gear set that comes with it. That's an $89 value. Right now it comes with it for the $379. Alright, links and the book. So it's a new project. Alright, thanks for watching. As we go, there will be more videos on this. I'm going to do a whole series. We'll see you next time.